Look how pillowy soft they are on the inside. Oh, that is so wrong. So wrong. Welcome back to my series of what the heck is Kelly putting in her traditional recipes today. Today we are making ricotta chocolate chip cookies. So let's get started. You don't have to wait for the holidays to have a ricotta cookie. You just have to think outside the box sometimes. And you would never think to have a ricotta chocolate chip cookie, but that's what we're doing today, and they are delicious. They have all of the same notes and nuances of a traditional chocolate chip cookie, but they're light, pillowy, and soft, just like a ricotta cookie. They got married. In the bowl of the stand mixer, we're going to start off with the half a stick of butter, and we're going to cream the butter and the sugars together until they're light and fluffy. So that's white sugar and brown sugar. Let this go for at least 3 minutes. Okay, so once we have all of our butter and sugars creamed together, scrape down the sides of the bowl and the bottom, and then we're gonna add in our 1 egg and our vanilla extract and get that all combined. Once we have the egg all incorporated and the vanilla, we're just gonna add in ricotta cheese. Give that a mix and well combine that. Okay, once we have our ricotta cheese all incorporated, we're gonna add in our baking powder and our salt and our flour. And we're gonna mix this just until the flour is combined. We don't wanna overmix it. Okay, so can you see that we have still some flour in there? And that's what we want, because again, we don't wanna overmix it. And now we're just gonna add in our chocolate chips. And one last spin around the bowl. And that's it, it's done. Okay, so now our cookie dough is done and it looks gorgeous. We're just gonna scoop it out onto a cookie sheet that I have lined with aluminum foil and sprayed with cooking spray. And I'm just gonna take my ice cream scoop and we're just gonna scoop mounds onto the cookie sheet. And we don't want to flatten these out because, again, they're ricotta cookies. They have that traditional mound shape, so we want to leave them that way. And these don't spread, so you don't have to worry about your spacing on the tray. You could space them pretty close together. So I'm going to get these all scooped out, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I come back. So we have all of our cookie dough balls rolled out and on our tray. So we're going to pop this in a 350-degree oven for about 18 to 22 minutes, or just till the bottom starts to turn golden brown. Our chocolate chip ricotta cookies are done, and don't they look fabulous? My favorite part. Let's give it a try. Look at how golden brown and delicious they got on the bottom from that brown sugar. And look how pillowy soft they are on the inside. Oh, that is so wrong. So wrong. This is everything that a ricotta cookie and a chocolate chip cookie should be. They are delicious. They're pillowy soft. They taste exactly like a chocolate chip cookie, but they're pillowy soft. Guys, if you want my recipe for my chocolate chip ricotta cookies, just comment recipe in the comment box below and I'll be sure to send it to your DM. Have a great weekend.